Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, I talked about the key differences between OpenAI API and ChatGPT UI. Today we'll be diving deeper into a common mistake that you might make as a developer or just a user when working with different OpenAI models, especially through the API. Now, so here's the thing. When you're using OpenAI API, you can choose from different models like GPT 3.5, you can work with GPT 4.0 and so on and so forth. Now, each of these models have what you call knowledge cutoff dates. Knowledge cutoff date simply means that the models are trained up to a certain date, right? The model is trained up to a certain date. Now, we would look at an example that explains this. So over here we have ChatGPT UI. Okay, ChatGPT GPT-5 created and released in 2025. Okay, so as you can see, the web would search the model searches the web to get you this, right? To get you this information. Now for the API, it's not going to work. Okay, so this is built on I think this is 3.5. Let's see, this is jet controller. As you can see, we're at we're using 3.5 turbo. Okay. You see the difference? Okay, let's say, can you check the internet? Can you check the internet? You don't have the ability to browse the internet in real time, however, you can easily search for most up-to-date. Now, imagine a scenario where you're building an application that has to do with code generation. If you generate an outdated code and you copy that code directly into your application, you might run into bugs. Imagine a situation where you're building an application or an AI agent that has to deal with real-time data like exchange rates. You might run into problems as well. So that's why when you're choosing your model, when you want to build especially AI agents, you would want to be careful to choose the right models to give you the right results. To handle situations like this, of course, there are different tools. You can connect to external tools. You can use frameworks like LangChain to manage and retrieve data and for reasoning as well. So, but in summary, like, I just wanted to point out to you that those models have some certain limitations, so to speak, and you have to be aware of those things so that you don't run into a situation where you have mistakes or you have bugs or you have inadequate information in your application. So in the next or subsequent video, we'll be looking at building an AI agent, right? So we'll be looking at building the steps to build an AI agent. So I just hope you subscribe and like the video so that at least you can get notified. So subscribe below and like, share, drop your comments so we can have a conversation, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.